What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the part 2 of the Xiaomi Watch S1 full walkthrough, and I'm going to talk about the app on this video. If you have missed the first one, make sure you click here so that you can actually watch the full walkthrough of the watch. Then you can watch the second video, which is this one. Alright, so for the app, it's now called Mi Fitness. Previously it was called Xiaomi Wear, and before that it was using the Mi Fit app. So basically you just have to pair it with the app. As you can see, there are like list of devices here that you can pair. So one of them is the Xiaomi Watch S1. So from here you can actually see sync. You can actually give you a notification or like the status if it's connected, the battery life, and of course the watch faces. So these are the watch faces that I have on my device. As you can see, I have a watch face here that I have synced, and this is the watch face that I personalized. So you'll have your own picture and with the time, date, and the weather. So I'll show you that in a bit where you can change that. Okay, so watch faces, let's go back a bit. Okay, I haven't counted the watch faces, but it seems pretty a lot. So as you can see, these are the list of watch faces. You can just press more. These are online watch faces, so basically you have to download them before it will reflect on your device. Let me just give you one example to download. Let's have a look. Let's see. And yeah, just to highlight, some of the watch faces has an always on display, so some doesn't. So you have to choose the watch face just like this. This doesn't have any any always on display, same as this one. So only some of the watch face has an always on display available. So let's try to download one more. So they have some pretty fun watch face. So it would depend on your internet connection to download it. It's only like the size is like only 1.56 MB, so it's not pretty much. And now it's syncing to my phone, as you can see, into my watch. Alright, so there you go. That one looks good. It's pretty good. It looks pretty fun to look at. So you won't get bored with watch faces because there are like a lot, and I believe they are updating this from time to time. So this is a pretty good way to keep changing. I keep changing my watch face, so it is really fun. And when I look at my watch, I'm really used to having a digital watch, so I would like to see more options, something like this, like what's the date, what's the date today, how many steps did I have, the battery life, the heart rate monitor, you'll have the weather and all that in just one glance, so I can just see it on one page without pressing anything on the watch. So that's pretty much it on the watch faces. But let me just show you where you can actually change the or customize or put in your own picture for your watch face. So you can actually go from here. Once you hit on the plus button, it will show you an option on where you want to grab your photo. It's either from your phone, as you can see. So you can just go through your gallery and select the photo that you want to show or to customize, and there you can select which watch face that you want to show and apply. So basically it will straight away download and pre-configure that on your watch. As you can see, it's still downloading and installing, so let's wait for a while. Okay. Alright, so there you have it. So I customized my watch face as easy as that, so you don't have to worry about customizing. I know this is one of the common question that usually I get if I review some smartwatches, and of course, what other options you have here. There's not much options, as you can see. You can have your Alexa, Amazon. This is where you will sign in to your Alexa or Amazon account. your app notification. You can turn on or turn off which app, choose which app you want to receive notification. So to have the battery life longer, anyway, the battery for this is super long. I've been using it for like 2 weeks, or even sometimes even more if I don't have much notification, because I choose which notification I want to have on my device. The reason being is it's on your wrist, so it would vibrate, and it's really annoying if you'll have notifications that you don't want to receive. So I limit my notifications to just like phone calls, SMS, probably from like social media messages, but I don't have a lot of notifications in terms of all the apps that I have on the phone. So that is one way, or that is actually one thing that I have that would actually help on the battery usage. And yeah, so you have incoming calls, you have your heart rate monitor settings from here. You can have a continuous heart rate, you can have it every 10 minutes, but I switched it off. You have your advanced sleep monitoring. Some of these settings are actually just to check or do the settings of how frequent you want to have your heart rate taken. And also when it comes to the standing, you can also do the settings from here. Xiaomi Pay, this is where you add your card to the device. So without the Xiaomi Pay, you won't be able to add your card to your device. So then you'll have your apps. You still can download some apps, but so far there are only a few apps that is available to download. So like the calculator, you have a game as well, and my tuner. I think this is a radio, but I don't want to listen to radio with the watch. So weather, you can get weather updates, workouts. This is where you drag up or drag down the workouts. You can just add some workouts that are listed over here. So it is quite a lot, 117 workouts. Not only that, probably they'll update some more. And widgets, so this is where I told you that you can actually add and customize the layout of your own widget. But you can add which of these apps you want to add on the current widget. Like just press that, you can add that, and you can add that. So just like that, and you press on save, so it's now added on the widget, and you can just drag it up or drag it down. So if you want to remove the widget, just drag it to the trash. So it's quite easy to modify. Then again, I don't have the widget for the quick pay or the NFC, so that I can easily pay. So it's not, I mean, it's not a big issue, but I would rather have it though, because that's pretty common to use, especially if you want to have a hands-free, like you just want to tap right away, probably a few clicks, at least one tap on your device, on your watch. But let's see what else we have here. You have the app layout. So you can actually have the list view or the grid view. So earlier you saw was the grid view. So I'm gonna show you the list view. This is how it looks on the list view. I would prefer the grid view. So this is the grid view. Which one do you prefer? Prefer the grid view because it's more. I will show the apps right away. And also you can have a shortcut to using this button. You can just press this button to activate a particular workout. You can actually set it from here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. For more Xiaomi videos, reviews, and walkthroughs, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This has been Christian from All About Me, and as always, I'll see you on the next video.